Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Today, we waited for it all week. It's 2 for Tuesday. So there you go. So we got a couple boxes happening. Last team sold, Winnipeg Jets. Sold at 20:05 Eastern. And the eBay time might be that, but we'll change it anyway. Okay, so 17:18 Pacific and 2018 Eastern, and it's 21:18 Nova Scotia time. So right on, let's get right to the good stuff. Here's our list. If your name is not there, you are not in this break. So congratulations to everyone who bought teams, and thank you. And a couple new people, I believe. Welcome, and of course, welcome to the old guys. You know, you know who you are. Here you go. Here's your the winners and their respective teams. Let's see, warm and cozy. You didn't get St. Louis tonight. You're slipping. Either that or Adam Nork is taking you out. Anyway, you've all got teams. Oh my, been one of those days. There you have it. So, totally certified, double box break number 88. There's your serial numbers are 77765 and 872370. And here's our product. And 72370 and 77765. Well, let's start with the 777s, why don't we? Lucky sevens. We'll get right at them. Oh my, I was friggin' trying to get a box break up for tomorrow night, but jeez. You know what Murphy's Law is? If anything can go wrong, it will. I believe it did. Anyway, let's get right at them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. 5 cards per pack. Here we go. No fatties. But that doesn't mean anything, does it, guys? And for the Bruins, we've got Mr. Ryan Spooner. Whoops, I guess I should be looking at what I'm doing. Ryan Spooner, rookie. There we go. For the Minnesota Wild, and Ricky Yan. Ricey Yan. Ricky Yan, I guess we'll call you. Oh, and Adam Nork. It's going to be a random. Certified competitors. So you got Mikael Grenland and Alex Chasson. So that's for the Starks and the Wild. Stars in the Wild. Told you I can't talk tonight. And we'll set that aside. We'll do that right at the end there. Right at the end. Well, as usual, my cases of rookie anthology are not going to be here for the weekend. I'm going to be away on Friday. I guess that's part of the reason. For the Rangers, we got Jasper Fast. Rangers, AGS car 4389. And for the Stars and Adam Nork, we got totally certified Sean Horkoff. So anyway, next week I'll have a case of those up. I don't know, I might put a case of Dominion on, I might not. Ooh, there's something green. Something blue right behind it, in front of it. Well, The Collector, 2481. You know who he has. He has the Sharks. And we got us a Sapphire Magneto. And that is numbered 8 out of 50. How sweet it is. Congratulations, collector. Now we got Valerie Nikinchuk. Nishkishkin. Oh, Bruce the Butcher's out in full force. 46 out of 50. There you go. And that's for the Stars again. The last pack, the box one. For the Philadelphia Flyers and Adam Nork. Braden Coburn, numbered 88 out of 100. And it's a red Philadelphia Flyers. And we've got Drew Shore for the Panthers. Panthers tonight, Ricky Yan. And I guess all the hits are going to the same teams. For the Sharks, we've got Matt Irwin. Rookie roll call. And that's box number 1 gone. And I'll just show that again if you want to see it. If you don't, close your eyes. $23.70. I think my knife has gotten a little dull on the end. I think I was picking at something with that the other night. So I'll have to sharpen it up. Okay, here we go, guys. 4 packs, still no fatties. Good luck. Let's spread the wealth. Or not, I guess. I don't know. It is what it is. Okay, for the Calgary Flames. And Sean M82. We have got Ben Street. Rookie card. And for the Columbus Blue Jackets, and Puck Stops here. How you doing, Puck Stops here? 6 out of 25. Ryan Murray. And that's a rainbow-ish. Oh, jeez, you'd think I was into the booze tonight. But I'm not. And here we go for Wolf for 10. Marc-Andre Fleury for the Penguins. Emerald. Oh! Bam! Suck me dry and call me dusty. There you go. 1 out of 5. Sweet. Nice, nice, nice emerald. Very, very nice. I'll show you that again. Congratulations, Wolfer. 10. You done it. And we've got for Tampa Bay, B-Licks. Welcome, B-Licks. Nikita Kushnoff. Sweet card. Don't get mad at me, Jesse, for going sweet. Speaking of Jesse, Jesse and Robert, top-notch breaks. Check them out, guys. They're a pretty awesome pair, doing what we all like, and that's box breaks, and they do plenty of them on the weekends. Valerie Nikinchuk. Frig, I can't get that right. For the Stars. Yeah, they put it to you. They're pretty entertaining, and you gotta love them. Totally certified, Anton Volshinov. Jeez. For the Devils, and that's B. Liska 0. Last pack. They're the only guys I know of that will sell you a double case break. And that's pretty good. pretty assured to get some hits from that. Oh, we got a gold. It's not going to be out of 5 though. It'll be out of 25, I bet, for the Sharks. Wow, collector is collecting them. We got Joe Pavelski, 15 out of 25. Very nice. Some of these are out of 5, but not that one. And for the Ottawa Senators, we get Eric Kreiba. Punky Fern. How about that, Punky Fern? Congratulations. And for Warm and Cozy, we got Joe Kanata. Plays for the Canada Canucks. And that's totally certified signatures. Very nice. Congratulations. And for Ricky Yan in the Wild, we've got Matt Dumba, clear cut. 28 out of 100. There you go. Very nice. And and we've got a redemption to do, so let me just get that just set up here. Random. And the redemptions between the Wild and the Stars. The Wild Stars. So, let's see. Wild is first. And as per my ad, my rules, I random it. I put the teams in 3 times and I random it 4 times. One on top at the end is a wiener. So, bam, here we go. Okay, so you got the Wild and the Stars, so we're going to do it. Here we go. 1. That'll change the camera, always does. So you got your first one, Stars on top. Second one, Stars on top. Third one, Wild on top. Survey says goes to the Wild. So Ricky Yan gets the random. Very good. Okay, well, if you want to go back through them, we can go back through them certainly. There's your random. It went to Minnesota. I'll show you the backs of the cards. And it always goes by what's on back the card. So there's Bruins, Rangers, Stars, Sharks, Stars, Flyers, Panthers, Sharks, Flames, Blue Jackets, Penguins, ladies and gentlemen. 1 of 5. Marc-Andre Fleury. Sweet card. Nice, nice, nice. Bolts, Stars, Devils, Sharks, Senators, Canucks, and Wild. There you have it. Looking at probably Thursday night for a break. I guess I got a little bit of time. I can sit down and put them in. Probably be a limited and maybe something else. We'll see. Might stick a couple of them in there. Okay. Well, thanks very much. Thanks for taking part, and check them out there in a day or so. Till then, happy bidding and good night.